Have you ever wondered how to create effective Google Ads? It might seem complicated at first, but by breaking it down into a series of simple steps, the process becomes quite manageable. First, you'll need to sign in to Google Ads. If you don't have an account, creating one is straightforward. Once you're logged in, click on the plus New Campaign button to start creating your new campaign. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a campaign goal. Google Ads offers various campaign types based on your objectives, such as sales, leads, website traffic, and so on. Select the goal that best aligns with your advertising objectives. The next step involves selecting your campaign type and setting up your campaign. Choose the campaign type that best suits your goals, such as search, display, shopping, video, or app. Each type has its own set of options and requirements. Set your campaign name, location targeting, language, budget, and bidding strategy. After setting up your campaign, you'll need to create ad groups. These groups help organize your ads and target specific audiences or keywords. Choose relevant keywords or audiences for each ad group. Now it's time to create your ads. Write compelling ad copy that entices users to click. Each ad group can have multiple ads, so you can test different variations to see which performs best. If you're running a search campaign, you'll need to select relevant keywords for your ads to appear when users search for those terms on Google. Use Google's Keyword Planner tool to research keywords and estimate their performance. Ad extensions provide additional information and features to your ads, such as site links, callouts, location information, and more. Consider adding relevant ad extensions to improve ad visibility and performance. Before you launch your campaign, review your campaign settings, ad groups, ads, and targeting options to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you're satisfied, click the Save and Continue or Launch Campaign button to activate your ads. After launching your ads, monitor their performance regularly using the Google Ads dashboard. Track key metrics like impressions, clicks, click-through rate, CTR, conversions, and cost per acquisition, CPA. Use this data to optimize your campaigns over time, making adjustments to keywords, ad copy, targeting, and bidding strategies as needed. Remember to comply with Google Ads policies and guidelines to ensure your ads are approved and run smoothly. Continuous optimization is crucial for achieving the best results from your Google Ads campaigns. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating successful Google Ad campaigns.